Hi, today we are going to see phases of design thinking, and this is Benila. So there are five phases in design thinking. So phase one is empathize. Empathize is nothing but understanding the problem of the user for whom you are going to design. The next phase is define. So where we are going to define a problem statement. And third phase is generate creative solution to this problem, that is ideate. And the fourth phase is prototype. So make your ideas into a tangible one. So this is the fourth phase. And fifth phase is going to be the test. So validate the solution with your target audience. So these are the five phases of design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So we are going to see it in a detailed manner. So the first phase is empathize, where you are going to understand the problem of the customer for whom you are going to design. So how you are going to empathize with the customer? You are going to listen what they are saying. You are going to observe in their environment, and you are going to get immersed in it. Right. So by all these things we can empathize with the customer. And the techniques that we use for empathizing is we can go for user interview, empathy map, and contextual inquiry. Phase 2 is define, that is to form a problem statement by the details that we get through the empathize phase. So how we are going to define a problem statement is we have to understand their needs, then you have to interpret, and you have to focus. So by doing these things we can form a problem statement. And the techniques that we are going to use, can we use this journey map and how might be technique. So using these techniques we can form the problem statement here. So phase 3 is ideate. Ideate is generate creative solutions to this problem. So how can we generate a creative problem statement is, so we can generate, imagine, filter what we need, and then we can choose the best one. So to generate a creative solution to this problem statement here. Right. So the technique that we use is worst possible ideas, sketching. So likewise, so here we have we saw it in principles of design thinking. So here we can go for the quantity of ideas here, so many ideas, and then we can filter it out and can choose the optimum ideas here. The phase 4 is prototype. So here build a tangible representation of the solution that you have obtained using the ideate phase. And here how we are going to get our prototype, we are going to get the feedback from the customer, then refine it. So likewise we'll be able to build the prototype. So it follows an important principles of design thinking: make it tangible. You can make visual and make it tangible here. So the technique that we can use for prototyping is paper prototyping, high fidelity, digital prototyping. So we can use the 3D printers to have a model, to create a model. So likewise we can make our idea a tangible one. And the phase 5 is test, where we are going to validate the solution with our target audience. So how will we validate our ideas is we are going to get the feedback from the users. We are going to evaluate it, and we have to improve the thing that we are going to get the details from the prototype phase here. So the technique that we can use is moderated usability technique, testing here. So these are all the 5 phases of design thinking, and what we are going to do, the process that we are going to do it in each and every phase, and the technique that we can implement to fulfill the phases here. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel for automatic updates. Have a nice day.